All right, so you know how much we love diving into these side hustle things?
Yeah,
I mean, who doesn't love the idea of, like, making some extra cash, right?
definitely.
And you sent over this article called Three High-Demand Side Hustles for 2025.
Mm-hmm.
That can earn you up to $200 per hour.
Yeah, that's a catchy title.
Yeah, right?
$200 an hour, that's serious money.
It is. And some of these are so interesting.
Oh, yeah.
But, like, are they really worth the hype?
That's a good question. I think sometimes these articles overpromise
Definitely.
and underdeliver.
Yeah, totally.
So let's break it down
Okay, let's do it.
and see what's what.
So first up, we've got the graphic template designer,
Okay.
which I thought was really interesting because, like, every business needs visuals now, right?
Oh, yeah.
You got your website, you've got to have social media, you've got to have presentations and things like that.
Everything is visual.
Everything's visual.
Yeah, think about all the platforms we're using every day.
Right.
Instagram, LinkedIn, even TikTok. I mean, everything relies on visuals to grab your attention.
And good visuals.
Right, yeah.
Not just like, my 5-year-old could have made that visual.
Exactly. You need high-quality stuff.
Exactly.
And businesses are always looking for eye-catching graphics.
And the article is saying that some designers are making like $200 an hour for this.
Yeah, it's definitely possible.
Really?
But it takes more than, just throwing some text on a background.
Right.
You need to have a good understanding of design principles.
Like what?
Like the rule of thirds. Have you heard of that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that can really make a difference.
But what is it, just real quick?
Basically, you divide your image into 9 equal parts using like 2 horizontal lines
Okay.
and 2 vertical lines. And then you place your key elements
Uh-huh.
along those lines or at the intersections.
Okay.
It creates more balance and interest.
Huh. Interesting.
Yeah, and things like knowing how to use white space effectively,
Mm-hmm.
choosing the right color palettes, all of that is important.
Yeah, it's more than just knowing the software.
Right.
You have to actually have that eye.
Exactly.
And what about finding clients? I mean, do you have to be like a jack of all trades or can you specialize?
Oh, that's a great question. It really depends on your goals.
Okay.
You could offer a wide range of templates, or you could like carve out a niche.
Okay.
Let's say you're really into fitness.
Okay.
You could specialize in designing templates just for gyms
Huh.
or fitness studios or personal
That's
trainers.
smart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Focus on a specific industry.
Yeah.
Okay. So next up, we have AI content creator.
Oh, this is a hot one right now
Yeah.
because it combines like the human element
Mm-hmm.
with the power of AI.
So you're using tools like ChatGPT.
Yeah, ChatGPT, Jasper, Claude, all these AI tools that can generate text.
You're not just letting the AI run wild.
No.
It's more of a partnership.
Exactly. You're guiding the process.
Okay.
You're feeding it information. You're refining the output.
So let's say a business wants to turn their blog post into some social media posts.
Oh.
Would the AI content creator use the tool to generate the options and then kind of like tweak them?
Exactly. Yeah, make sure they're engaging.
Make sure they're platform specific?
Yeah, make sure they sound good.
Okay. And then the human does all that.
The human has the final say.
Okay.
AI is a tool.
Got it.
It's not the final product.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
And so like, can these AI content creators
Yeah.
make as much as like regular writers?
Potentially. Yeah.
Okay.
But just like any skill, experience, and expertise matter.
Right.
Someone who can expertly use AI tools and understands SEO
Mm-hmm.
and can write compelling copy is going to be in higher demand.
It always comes back to like providing value,
Always.
whether you're using a pen
Right.
or you're using an AI program.
Exactly.
Okay, so this last one.
Yeah.
This one was so interesting to me.
Oh, yeah.
Especially given that we have a podcast.
That's right.
It is the podcast assistant.
I loved this one.
And you wouldn't believe how much goes into producing a show like this.
Like a lot of work.
There's a whole world behind the scenes.
So much happens behind the scenes.
And the article says that podcast listenership is going to hit 141 million
Wow.
by 2025,
That's huge.
which means that the demand for podcast assistants is only going up.
Makes sense.
So what kind of tasks would a podcast assistant handle?
Well, they might help with booking guests,
Okay.
researching topics,
Sure.
editing the audio and video,
Oh, wow.
creating show notes, managing social media,
Mm.
even marketing and promotion.
Wow. So it's really like a wide range.
Yeah, very varied role.
You'd have to be like super organized.
Definitely.
What skills would you say are like essential?
Strong organizational skill. Communication skills are really important.
Okay.
Time management is crucial,
Mm-hmm.
especially if you're working with multiple clients.
Right, because you've got deadlines.
Exactly.
You got to get things done.
Yeah, got to stay on top of it.
And you were saying something about specializing.
Oh, yeah. You could specialize in a particular area, like maybe you love editing audio.
Okay.
And you're really good at it.
Mm-hmm.
You could focus on being an audio editing whiz for podcasts.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So we've got 3 really interesting potential side hustles here.
Yeah.
Graphic template designer, AI content creator, and podcast assistant.
3 very different paths.
Yeah. And they each have their own like skills and possibilities.
Yeah.
Which one kind of like sparked your interest the most?
Yeah. Which one are you thinking about?
Yeah. And what's one step you could take today to like explore it further?
Like maybe you're already picturing yourself, designing these awesome visuals or writing this amazing AI-powered content or helping to bring a podcast to life. Yeah. Whatever it is, the journey starts with a single step.
I love that.
Yeah.
So maybe you sign up for an online course, you join a community, you start experimenting with a new tool.
It could be the start of something amazing.
It really could be. That's why I love this stuff.
Yeah, so much potential out there.
All right. Well, thanks for joining me on this deep dive.
It was fun.
And we will catch you next time.
See you later.
Bye.